Hi everyone, today I want to do an unboxing of this Hercules 1/4 hex impact driver. So here we got the front of the box, and here is the model number HCA1B, and I think they don't make these that much anymore. They're on clearance lately, I've been noticing. They're like maybe 30, 40, depending where you live, you know. And here's the side. There's all the information of the drill and stuff. And here's the side. So yeah, let's start unboxing. Let's see. There it is. They do. Let's see, maybe give another pass. See what's going on here. There we go. Alright, let's see what's in the package. There we go. Nothing else is in the box right now. Alright. So here we got the owner's manual. The drill itself. Let's see. We got a belt clip. And that's it. They don't give you any bits. Yeah, but they do give you a belt clip, which is pretty nice. Alright, let's see. Pretty small little dude. Let's see. Sounds good. So yeah, I've been noticing this in Harbor Freight. They have been having it in clearance. So I feel like they're not gonna make these anymore. They're not gonna sell them anymore. I think they're sticking more into the brush line. Brushless, I mean, sorry, not brush line. The brushless line, you know. This is a brush version, so it might be the last one of its kind, maybe. I could be wrong, could probably release a newer brush. But we'll see later down the road. But yeah, here it is. And the battery's fully charged. Alright, so here in a bit I'll show you how to install the little a belt clip, and also check if, you know, if see how the input of the little bit acts. Yeah, I'll be back here in a sec. Now we're gonna do the bit test. So some drills, when you insert the bit, it clicks in. Some don't. You need to help it. So like here in the Craftsman, this one does it all by itself. You just insert it, and there you go. It's on there. It's not coming out. It's not gonna wiggle out or anything. It's a good thing. But when you do like the heart, you set it in there and then it doesn't click. You need to help it. And this is what will happen. Some will do that and it'll fall off. So you need to help it. You have to insert it. There you go. And it's on there and it won't fall off. You have to help. So now let's do it on the Hercules. See what it does. So let's see. Will it be like the heart or will it be the Craftsman? Let's see. Sadly, it looks like it's going to be a heart, because there's nothing, another one insert, and there it goes. So it's with the heart. You got to help the little guy in order to, there you go, in order for it to stay in there. It's kind of a little sad, you know, if you want to use it as like, you know, it's better to have it where, like the Craftsman, you want to do something quick, like, I don't know, put a plank up or something. You just insert it real quick, it's ready to go, it doesn't fall off. Here, like, you want to do something quick, like, you want to, you know, do the same thing, but like, you insert it and, you know, you're walking with it or something, or in a belt, it'll fall off, you have to help it. And it kind of stinks. So, yeah. So now we're going to insert this little belt clip here, you know, from Hercules. And I'll show you how. So on the drill it has this spot here with a little insert area here, and also over here with an insert. And you get to choose whichever side, it doesn't matter. I'm choosing this side. And so you have to put this little part here, this little place, and you have to insert to that little slot, and it holds it in place. Now all you gotta do is grab the little screw, and they provide you with a screw, and you have to, oh, this little guy moves. You have to insert it to where the little, there we go. You have to insert it to the screw into the little hole, tighten it up with the Phillips head screwdriver, and there you go. It's on there. It's not coming off. It's gonna be holding on good, you know. It's gonna hang on your belt. So I would recommend it if you're a homeowner, DIY guy. I know the batteries don't cost much compared to like, you know, like Dell Watt and all those batteries go a little expensive. This guy usually goes for like $40, $50. Sometimes they have sales on these batteries, which is good. Like I recently got this one. You buy one, you get the other one free. Or sometimes they have good deals, like they go for like $30, which is pretty good. You know, so sometimes they have deals going on at Harbor Freight. The drill is good for, you know, DIY, obviously. If you want more like a, say like a work site, go with a brushless. You're gonna use that every day. This guy's just gonna be used like maybe, say like every two times every week or something. And it's not gonna be used much often, you know. And the only thing that disappointed me was just because, you know, some you just insert the bit and it clicks on immediately. This guy doesn't click. Like, see that one? And I showed it on the video, but see, Craftsman instantly doesn't want to come out. And it spits that too. This one doesn't, you know, doesn't insert it, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't spit. No, see, it doesn't. You have to help it. You have to help it spit it out. It kind of stinks. So yeah, but everything else is good. The good thing is like they give you a belt clip, like the Bauer. You know, that's pretty surprising. Usually when you buy a Craftsman or a Hart, they never give you that. You know, I'm pretty sure they do on the brushless models, but they never do on the brush model. And so this guy's a brush model, and they give you a belt clip, which is pretty nice. You can be up in a ladder, screwing something. It'll be on your belt, you know, and it's not gonna fall off. You know, that's the good thing. And for like $30, $40. And then you waste like maybe $40 unless you get it on sale, you know. So you waste maybe around, oh yeah, and still you have to get the charger. So you're gonna waste like $80 on just the battery and the charger. And then still, if you can get the drills, you're gonna waste maybe 120 to 130, somewhere around there. Yep. But the only thing, you know, is like if you're in the Hercules line, it's good. Also, or you know, if you battery wise, you know, they're not that expensive sometimes if you just wait for the deals and you snag one whenever the deal is on, you know, which that's what I would recommend. If you need a battery, or a battery's like going out, you know, it doesn't last as long as charger, be waiting for the, if you know you don't use it often, you just wait for a deal, and you, once it comes out, you just snag it, you know, you just grab it, purchase it, and there you go, you have it all to yourself. So yeah, I mean, it's a good little drill. I haven't used it fully yet, but I'll use it here soon and see how it acts. It says they're comparing to a Dell Watt one. Let's later down the road, we'll do a comparison on both and see how it works out. So, alright. Well, thanks for your time, and thank you.